In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Chrome on Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 in the easiest and safest way possible. If you're still using one of these versions of Windows, Chrome can give you a faster browsing experience, better compatibility with websites, and a much more modern feel than older built-in browsers. So whether you want Chrome for streaming, browsing, schoolwork, or just everyday use, this guide will walk you through every step. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you, and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. It really helps support the channel, and it makes sure you don't miss the next video. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Microsoft Edge. Since Edge comes pre-installed on Windows 8 and 8.1, you don't need to download anything before you begin. You can open it from the Start menu, or if you already have it pinned to your taskbar, you can click the shortcut there for faster access. Once Microsoft Edge opens, you're ready for the next step. Now, go to the address bar at the top of the browser. Click inside it, type Google Chrome Download, and then press Enter on your keyboard. This will bring up search results for Chrome. At this point, it's very important that you choose the official Google Chrome website. You want to avoid random third-party websites because they can sometimes bundle unwanted software, show misleading download buttons, or even put your computer at risk. The official site is always the safest option and gives you the most reliable installer. Once you see the official Chrome page, look for the Download Chrome button and click it. After that, the download should begin automatically. Depending on your internet speed, the download may finish very quickly or take a little longer, so just wait for the installer file to complete. In most cases, this is a small file, so it usually downloads without any issues. When the download is finished, open the setup file from your downloads area. You may see a security prompt from Windows asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. If that happens, click Yes to continue. This is completely normal during software installation on Windows. After you approve the prompt, Chrome will begin installing automatically. You don't usually need to click through a lot of setup screens because the installer handles most of the process for you. Just wait for it to finish. In many cases, the installation takes less than a minute, especially if your system is running normally. Once the installation is complete, Chrome should open on its own. If it doesn't, you can find it in the Start menu and launch it manually from there. From that point on, you can sign in with your Google account, import your bookmarks, and start using Chrome as your main browser. So to quickly recap, open Microsoft Edge, search for Google Chrome Download, make sure you use the official Google website, click Download Chrome, open the downloaded installer, approve the Windows permission prompt if needed, and let Chrome install automatically. If this video helped you, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.